What's going on, you guys? How are y'all doing today? So we're going to be installing some new parts onto my R6. So if you guys saw in my last video, you would have seen where I mentioned that I just ordered a set of ASV levers literally 2 days ago, and they ship out so fast. So they're about to arrive. I have one coming for the brake side and of course the clutch side as well. And I'm going to be trying to keep it with the same theme as I'm going with the rest of the bike, which is a lot of blue and black, and pretty much just getting rid of any other colors. So that's why I'm getting these in a full black and the adjustment dial as well, the same color. And I think it'll tie together really nicely and look a lot more flush, having everything black over here. And I'll probably get a stabilizer in the same color as well to kind of keep everything really flush looking over here. And pretty much getting rid of like any silver accents that the bike has. So let me go ahead and unbox them right now and show you guys what they look like. So here's the kit, let me unbox it. So as you can see, we have the all black levers right here. These ones should look pretty slick and clean on the bike. Just for reference, I'll hold them up next to one another. So this should give it a way cleaner look. And here's it from this angle as well. Yeah, it should look a lot nicer. So I'm gonna start with the brake side first. And I just need to undo this 10mm bolt right here. All right, so the OEM lever is now out. Have this piece right here and then the locking nut. Now just gonna transfer these over to the new brake lever. And make sure that this plunger rod right here doesn't fall out. Now this side's completely done. And yeah, this looks 10 times better than OEM. And then you can just adjust it right here. Now we're gonna start on the clutch side. Just gonna start by loosening up the clutch cable to make it easier. Now you can see there's a lot more play, so it's gonna be a lot easier to maneuver this out into the new lever.
Show the nut.
All right, the OEM clutch lever is now out. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Now putting the clutch cable into the new clutch lever. So you just feed it right into the slot. And now it's gonna kind of go through the lever right there in that spot, and then seat it back into the right position. I'm just gonna go ahead and put back in the OEM hardware. And then just put the locking nut on the bottom. I'm definitely gonna drop this. So just finished up with the clutch side, and make sure not to tighten this bolt too much down here. If you tighten it too much, the clutch lever gets stuck like this. So you wanna make sure to find a good spot in the middle so it'll always make sure to retract. So got everything finished up now. What do you guys think? So here's a little bit of view on top of the bike while you're riding it. So you can kind of see how everything ties together really nicely now. What do you guys think of the new levers? I think they look pretty mean. Makes the bike flow a lot better, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Now I'm gonna go take this thing on a little ride and talk more with you guys and test out these levers. So I'm gonna go test out the levers right now. And if you aren't watching this video, then that means that I installed the brake wrong. Let's hope I didn't do that. But now we should be totally fine. All right, the clutch feels pretty good. I might bring it in a little bit more on the adjustment dial. But of course, everything's working normally because I made it out of my street. This person even looking. Okay. Yeah, I might bring it in like one more click closer to me. I'll just do it when I stop real quick. Now let's see how the brake is. Okay, nobody's behind me. We'll brake a little hard. Almost stalled. That feels good.
Nobody's behind me. Let me brake again. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Levers have a nice feel to them, for sure, and they look great. I think you guys could probably agree there. If you disagree, let me know. I think you guys should like them. It ties in really nicely, like you guys can see right now. It just flows so much better with everything up here. I'm just gonna go like through some shifts up and down since I adjusted a lot of things just to see. And I adjust the clutch cable. Okay. Yeah, it feels real nice, you guys. And this front brake, I think I like where it is. I don't think I need to push it any more out or in. Look at that all matte black Cybertruck. You guys probably gonna see in a sec. Right there. But let me see if I can bring this in a little bit. Just like that. One more. Okay. Now let's do one more out. Okay, that should be perfect. Let's see. But now we have to wait for someone to pull up at the light because I did not weigh enough. Yeah, look at that Cybertruck. I'm seeing literally 1 to 3 of those every single day. They're like common traffic around me right now, I swear. I'm just coming out real quick just to film this video because it is too hot for me to comfortably be geared up properly and record. So I'm literally just trying to run through this video real quick, finish it up so I can go back to my computer, edit it, upload it, and have you guys be able to watch it right now. I'm gonna try and get this out today, and it's now Sunday. Or if it's too late by the time I finish editing and uploading to YouTube, then you'll be watching this on Monday. So we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see how this clutch is now. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, I love how you can just adjust these so easily on the fly. Got another biker. Yeah, super happy with these, you guys. And the install, I'd say, was like just 10 minutes of work, so not difficult or hard at all to do. You guys can definitely do it yourself. The tools you need are super basic. And this is not like a, what the heck? That was a big gust of wind. Oh yeah, and this is not like some official install video. If you guys want to, when you guys go to install it, just go through the instructions manual that ASV gives you. Don't just watch mine. There's probably a few little things that they'll mention in there that I didn't mention. So that's what I would recommend to do. Just being completely transparent with you guys. But yeah, I think I'm super happy with these. Everything works totally fine. Brake lever works good. Clutch works good. So successful install. Yeah. So yeah, I personally really love these levers. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Did I make a good choice? Should I have done anything different? Should I have done a different lever color? Should I have done a different dial adjuster color? You guys let me know your thoughts. So I think that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. So please ride safe. Remember to always wear your gear. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And I'm gonna go find a spot real quick to film a little reel for Instagram. So I can show everybody on Instagram what the levers look like and get their opinion. So yeah, peace.